Listen to this city. The score of marketplace gods, obeying no form, pacing this place. The white pigeons of her past frame the chorus between times, a convergence of life and land. Street corners with tables of brokenness. Kids play in the sky. Locked stories in their mouths. Songs for full-headed boys. Happy-shaped girls, the ripe sun. They hold seashells to each ear to hear what separates us. The same thing that fills us. Water, sound, heat. Hard-nosed women sit the city with the rain tucked in their pockets, listening to the marking of the wind. The city is speaking to you. The time moves in us. This music is a yellow light that drapes the land, the sound of narrow streets, fine cliffs and ochre hills. This isn't an extended play, call it sound shifting, time walking, the airs that found paradise, half-step Atlantic, where the land shapes itself boundless, undefined, nonetheless, a path through Freetown.